morning, cyber traders. Welcome back from the lovely Memorial Day. Good to see you all. Renzo, good to see you. Gene, Grant, Mike, everybody on YouTube, Facebook Live. Welcome back. Hopefully everybody enjoyed their long, wonderful weekend. Once again, I'd like to thank our servicemen for keeping us safe here in the United States. I hope you guys, it's not just the start of summer, but it also is a day of remembrance. This weekend, I was actually on my boat to watch. I saw the Blue Angels fly over, which, by the way, what an incredible experience. I actually, before I actually even went to see the Blue Angels fly around, there was probably about close to 200,000 people on Jones Beach or on Long Island. But I went to go see the movie The Maverick, which, by the way, hands down, I don't care who you are, you got to watch that movie. It just gives it a totally different level. And, just shows you the technology and just shows you, just what a great movie that was. The best Top Gun ever, John saying. Well, it was definitely great. And then when you see those planes flying, it just really makes things great. But listen, we're back. It's Tuesday. What does Tuesday entail? Getting back to work, putting our heads down. We got the market down about 200 points. We had a nice little push, on Friday. The market is extremely volatile. I'm hearing that they're already factoring in that we're already in a recession, that they're expecting it to be in the third quarter. So that's probably a lot of volatility getting. But I could tell you this, us as day traders have been you could see the great volatility. Start off with Jan. Jan this morning just did unbelievable this morning, had an 8 o'clock. Is that when it started? No, 8:30. It was an 8:30 move right there. Remember, we have 3 program trading times. We got one at 8 a.m., 8:30, and 9 a.m. So nice little push on that Jan right there. You could see his stock literally ran from like $2.25 to $4.25. Stock's up 81%. Now, is the party over? Is it too late? Listen, the market's not even opened. This is only pre-market. And that's why a lot of you guys come here and that's why we do our meetings at 9 a.m. and also at 2:30 you get prepared going into this great volatile market. But this is definitely on the watch list. But before I start going through all the other stocks like MULN and, the TXMD, oh my God, that was awesome. But let's go talk about what happened on Friday. But before we do that, I just want to remind everybody, today is Traders Talk. We don't want to miss out on that. And also, I'm doing Phase 3 next week. Don't forget about that too, live trading with Fausto. And also Phase 2, you basically did Phase 2, so hopefully everybody enjoyed with Phase 2 the last week. You got those recordings on your dashboard. Definitely go back and review it. Remember, you have to learn before you can earn, and also make sure that you booked all your coaching classes with all your instructors here at Cyber Trade University to kind of help you answer those questions, because that's what we do differently. It's not about just be able to go watch, 800 hours of videos. It's about going out there, asking these questions, being there live, and talking to your mentors. Now, let's get back and talk about what happened on Friday, and then we'll get back and talk about what's going on this morning. So we had a couple of stocks this morning. Oops, where did I go? Just basically close one window down. There we go. All right. So we had a couple of nice little stocks on Friday, and some of the stocks I want to talk about is Sega. So Sega, you had a huge run. You could see that right here, not for today, but as of Friday. You could see our stock literally ran from like $10 all the way to $14 a share. That thing just went up nicely and then kind of died out, which I kind of expected going into the afternoon. I'm telling you right now, I was so impressed for Friday. If you were here Friday morning, and by the way, go back to the YouTube video, because remember, everything's recorded. Go back to the YouTube video and listen carefully what I said. I don't like Fridays and Mondays because, listen, everybody wants to get ready for the weekend, whatever. But for some reason, on a holiday like Memorial Day, I said this stock market could be really, really volatile today. A lot of people left early. Companies might have to come out with news. You didn't get a lot of shakes. And let me tell you, that Sega was one of them. And I could just keep going down and down that list. Sega was one of them. AMC, another one, which, by the way, that's going back on the watch list right now. AMC. I know GameStop is actually coming out with earnings this week too. So that stock went up from like $12 all the way to 15. Look, she's already at 17. A lot of big support there at 10. What else did we have that moved pretty well? We had APYX. That thing just ran from 550 and just did not stop all the way to about 640. Another really nice move. Hood. That one just, I mean, you look at the long-term chart, it definitely is not a, like, well, it looked like I really didn't do anything. It looks like I crushed more than anything. But listen, on Friday, that stock moved gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful move right there. Stock literally went from right at the gate, 940, shot up all the way to about 1040 in a matter of about an hour. You're pretty much done by then. I mean, then you can see the afternoon pretty much kind of died. But, I mean, just like it just went on and on and on. And by the way, did I miss anything, Cyber Group traders? I mean, anything else? I mean, I think I can't remember all of them, but those are just some of them that kind of came off on a Friday I thought was really, really good. But let's turn the page. Let's turn the page. That should make you excited that there's always a new adventure. Every day we trade the market, and you're like, oh, yeah, I saw that one. Listen, we're going to start fresh. Today's a new day. We're coming back from Memorial Day. Today's Tuesday. I don't want to get too cocky, though, coming back from a big holiday, especially today. I don't know where you are, but it's going to be like 90s here in New York, so it's going to be really hot. I think people are still, holding over from, because yesterday also was beautiful here. Some people are probably coming to work late, making that weekend really enjoying it. Listen, when you do well, you could do those type of things. That's why we do this job. But you know what? So we might be able to benefit a little bit from it, but let's go see what we got. So I want to start off with Jan. Jan's got some nice moves, got good volatility, 3 million shares already traded. It's up 77% right now. A little concerned about that. That's up a lot. TXMD, I forgot to mention that one. Remember we were trading this stock? Unbelievable. Stock had had a reverse stock split, got crushed, but you could see right here, it's pretty much a buyout. That's what it looks like to me. I mean, up 330%. There's only one other reason why it's up that high. But it is trending down, which is kind of awkward, but not too much. But MULN was phenomenal this morning. You guys really did well in the Cyber Group room. This stock moved. It was an 8:30 move right there. That's where program trading kicked in. It was at 96 cents. Stock ran to $1.20. Listen, for everyone here, please don't look at, that we trade penny stocks. These are not penny stocks. These are NASDAQ national stocks. If you bought the stock at $1 and you sold it at $1.20, you made 20 cents on 1,000 shares. Believe it or not, think about it. If you're good with math, that's a $50,000 salary. I would take that any day. So don't discriminate, okay? Regarding like, stock's too cheap. Listen, more expensive stocks, more risk. Less expensive stock, less risk. As long as the orders, that's all that matters. MARPS is another one I found this morning, MARPS. I'm not too crazy about the tier sizes right now. It's got some decent volume. Remember, one of the big things we teach you in phase one is the stock's got to be tradable, and I put that back on the B list. Next stock up 12%. That's up big this morning. Good spread, decent volume, up 12%. It's kind of flatlined right here, though. So another blockchain stock. I'll put that one on the watch list. Looks like all the blockchain stocks are moving this morning, too. I saw Mara was also on that watch list. I don't see where she went right now. But Mara also up a little bit, up 7% today. The stock took a major hit from $30 down to $11. Major support where it's at right now. But those stocks look like they're moving pretty decent right now. I'm always a fan of blockchain. This stock is going down, which we know why. We've been trading Sega. You know what? Probably not on your short list right now, but when stocks go up that fast, they always come down. IMMX, we did so well with this stock. This stock literally went from $1.20 all the way up to about $3.40. It was a great winner. Now she's on a downtrend from yesterday to today. So remember, a lot of those big winners that we chased, they're going to show up, just like GOVX. We're not trading it, but you could see how we find them, and they end up showing up. I want to hop over here on the New York Stock Exchange on the percentage gainers. CTT made the big list. It's up 3%. It's up $3, 36%. It's kind of flatlined. I do like the HUSA a little bit better. This one was on the morning watch list, HUSA. Nice little trend, nice little move, another energy stock. Listen, looks like energy stocks are moving again. You see what's happening with oil right now. Oil was up last time I checked by $3. I don't think we're too far away from $150 a barrel. We'll probably be at $6 a gas here in New York. Maybe in California, you'll probably be at $8, maybe another month, okay? Do you know what I really feel bad for? The truck drivers, because diesel probably is going to go to 8 to 9. And I'm telling you, rumor has it, they're going to probably go on strike. And you want to see the economy shut down? Because, listen, there's only so much they could take. And they can start, eventually people will be like, what's this gas tax? I was just out over the weekend. I have a lot of friends of mine in the restaurant business. They're starting to get hit with a fuel charge. Truck drivers, the inflation went up so high. Now they're adding, a fuel charge to every delivery. And I'm not talking about $2, $3. I'm talking about $50, $100. And they said, you know what? If you don't like it, just come by and pick it up. You could pick it up yourself. That's where it's coming down because it's really getting pretty bad. So, looking where it's going, I told you this before. The only thing I really screwed up on, I said this a long time ago, I knew I should have bought oil when I saw it right around the $30, $40 price range. The problem is I'm not a commodities guy. I'm more of a stock person, and that's the only reason why. So one of the bad flaws that came up. But listen, you can't be a jack of all trades. AMC came down. EDU, one of the education stocks in China, looks like it's going up a little bit the last couple of days. I know it did a little bit of a reverse stock split here, but it's only up 8%. So if we're not up about 10, 15%, we're pretty much done. So we got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got about 6, 7 stocks. I think that's a pretty decent amount. It's Tuesday. It's come back from a holiday. It doesn't look as pretty as Friday was. So just don't get too cocky this morning and don't get too crazy. All right. Anything I'm missing I did not call out? Anything on any other stocks out there? I think I pretty much, like I said, went through the big percentage gainers. That's what's showing up. Listen, there's going to be a new list that comes out when the market opens up. This is just what we've been doing over so far in pre-market. Sometimes they roll in going into the open. Sometimes they die. We won't know. But if you're watching YouTube, Facebook Live, you could always just do a trial. Come and join the trading room. Cyber Group members, you know the story. You see something, you say something. So don't forget, Traders Talk today at 11 o'clock. We'll see you there. Phase 3 starts next week. We'll see you there for the classes. Just go out there and learn before you can earn. Jan just made another pop to 490 from Grant. Let me just bring that up before we go and just show everybody. Yeah, nice little pop right there. Look at that. So since we started 9 o'clock this morning, stock was at 4. We're almost at 5. Do that every day. Make $1 a day. Definitely keeps the spouse away. $1 on 1,000 shares, $1,000, $250,000 salary. Not too shabby. Good luck, everyone. On YouTube, Facebook Live, we'll be back here at 2:30. We're live here every morning at 9 a.m. and 2:30. And Cyber Group members, we'll start commentary once the market opens up at 9:30. We'll see you all then. Good luck and be safe, everybody.